Okay, so we're gonna whisk this mix. Smush up the stevia brown sugar a little bit. So it's good and mixed, and try not to make things fly all over like I'm making them fly all over. All right, and that's good and mixed. Then you're gonna wash the chicken off and pat it dry really well. Add salt and pepper to the chicken. Then you're gonna saute it in a pot. Saute it in the Instant Pot, sorry. Okay, you're gonna put a tablespoon of olive oil into, or your choice of oil, into the Instant Pot, and you're going to choose saute. Let that heat up until it's nice and hot, and then you're going to put with tongs, put the chicken in, and you're going to do about 3 to 4 minutes each side at least, to just start to cook them a little bit. And then after you get them all cooked, all 6 cooked, you do one at a time, take them out, or do 3 at once, and then the next 3, take them out. And then gonna pour the rest of the seasoning over it, pour the chicken broth in, and the remainder of the seasoning that came off on the parchment paper, and then cook for about 25 minutes. Okay, 3 to 4 minutes each side. Do it a little longer, a little less, because the Instant Pot will take care of the rest when you cook it for 25 minutes to get fall off the bone chicken. But this is the next step. Okay, let's finish up the last 4 minutes on each side. I'm gonna pull these out, and then I'm gonna add the chicken broth. I'm gonna add 1 cup of chicken broth. This, I'm going to cancel this out, and then I want to start the 25-minute pressure cook on these. So I'm going to do 1 cup of chicken broth right in there. Put some of the vegetables in the bottom. Okay, that's the bell pepper, zucchini, celery. You can make your own mix. If you remove the bell peppers, it's going to give you a lower carb count. Not much lower, but it will. So I'm going to add these back in. So I have 6 thighs in here. And the chicken itself is going to be a very low carb count. The vegetables, not too bad. I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables on top. I'm going to add the rest of the spices that were left over. And also from the parchment paper, and the spices left over. Let's mix on top. And I'm going to pressure cook for 25 minutes. Okay, so this is what it looks like all done after 25 minutes. I took it out just after 25, but what I suggest is that you just let it sit and dissipate the pressure by itself. And it's fogging up the camera. I'm gonna have a little foggy, okay. But as you can see, the vegetables are really, really soft, really good. The chicken falls off the bone, so good. This is definitely something I recommend. We're gonna be making this a lot more. You can, throw these in. Throw these in wraps, those low carb wraps by Mission, Carb Balance, low carb wraps. I'll show you right now. These guys, throw those in there with some vegetables, so good. But this is really, really a good dish. I'm gonna put it back in, get the pressure back up, and just let it dissipate by itself in a little while. All right, but delicious. Hopefully you all try. Please leave comments, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And bye for now.